If you love unique travel but hate tourist traps, try small-town discovery. Pack curiosity, not expectations. Let's make it unforgettable. Tip 1. Do tiny obsessive research. Use local blogs, niche forums, recent social posts. Find real spots, not curated postcards. Tip 2. Talk to locals early. Ask guesthouse hosts, shopkeepers, drivers for secret spots and safe shortcuts. Tip 3. Pack flexibility. Plan a loose itinerary so you can stay longer where you love it, or bail when it's not worth it. Tip 4. Go offline ready. Download maps, save contact numbers, carry a power bank. Tip 5. Respect and prepare. Learn basic local customs, carry small cash, have travel insurance. The less known places reward curiosity. Go find your next story. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel information.